Well, good morning, everyone. We are doing the March birthday soap today. I'm Lita with Hibiscus Soap Cottage, and welcome. So here we go. It's going to have Sakura from Mad Micas and a little bit of Pool Party. And I also have some cute little embeds, not embeds, but shavings from a melt and pour. I did the March birthday soap 2 weeks ago, but it got stiff. You know, what's that word? Anyway, can't think of it. Seized. Oh my goodness. So I'll post pictures of that, but oils are in the 70s. I'm going to be using this mold here, the little purple one, a little Sakura, a little Pool Party, and I'm going to put some embeds. I'm going to try for the marble technique again. Don't know what we're going to get. So in with the sodium hydroxide we go. Into the oils, I have some palm and coconut. It's my apricot swirl soap recipe, but I divided half coconut and half palm. Alright, so here we go. In we go. I may skip this part. It's noisy with the stick blending. Let's see. Today it's all about making a pretty March birthday soap because the first one seized. Tonight I'll be making the April, so that'll be on time. I'm trying to get things to where it's 4 weeks cured instead of posting it like a mad woman. Yeah, oh my gosh! But some people use the soap right away. Has a lot of liquid oil in it, the olive oil, so it's good to just give it a nice cure. So here we go. I'll skip this part. I won't let you guys hear the stick blending. So let's see where the oils are though. Let's do a little thing here. We are at 74, so that's perfect. And for the marble, I kind of wanted to have a little body to it, maybe a light trace to even a medium, because I want to go side to side. So let me stick blend, divide the batters into their colors, and we'll see what we're going to do. All right. I'm not sure if this Blue Abyss is going to seize again. I'm soaping pretty low, so I don't know. I mean, it seized as soon as I added the Blue Abyss. On Nature's Garden website for this fragrance oil here, it said they had a great experience with it. No tracing, no no ricing, no acceleration. So I don't know what I'm gonna get. All right. Also, what I've decided to do is try backwards or an upside down style because I don't want to risk it seizing again. I decided I'm gonna let these has no fragrance. I just colored them, and the Pool Party and the Sakura. That's all I need. I'm gonna go ahead and make like a mosaic with this one because it behaved badly for me last time. I'm not taking any chances, so I'll just go ahead now and add my little fragrance, pour, so the bottom will be the top and the top will be the bottom. All right, we're gonna stick blend. I'm pausing for this part. I'll be back. All right, it did begin to seize a little. See how thick that's getting? Oh boy. So that's no worries. I caught it on time, and I have time to work with these to do my mosaic practice. All right. So wonderful. How is everyone doing? What a weird intro. I'm always asking how you guys doing first, but I was scared of this fragrance oil. So I'm getting a seize out of my batter. I don't know if it's something. I have no milk, I have no thickeners, nothing in this. That's no worries. I worked fast enough and we got it done. There you go. I may get 20 bars or 18 because the ends, I usually show you guys how it lathers and things. So, and side note for everyone, I think you don't throw wax down the drain. I have palm oil. I have some of the waxes. in these things, I mean, I don't really wash it. I do like a pre-wash, do that bleach percentage there for to try and sterilize as much as I can, and then I dawn it. You know, I use paper towels to scoop out. No waste is good. No waste from this is good. So just be careful with your drains, all right? And do stuff like that to make sure nothing sticks down the pipes. Yeah, you don't want a plumbing bill. All right. See, it got really thick and nice. I'll have time now. It's going to be a good soap because it was nice and still flowy when I poured. The top, I'm working on it, but no big deal. All right. This one, I may have to say, it's accelerating for me when I use it. Well, it's almost ready. That's why I usually don't for the swirls, maybe sometimes, but I don't. See, it's fluid still. The batter is nice and fluid, and it's at 74 degrees. As soon as I added the Blue Abyss, my batter got really thick. Yes, yes, beautiful. Beautiful nonetheless. It's going to be a really nice creamy bar. Smells amazing. Again, with the florals, like I kind of have a florally beach clean. It's a very beautiful fragrance, that Blue Abyss. But I'm afraid for me, I'm getting, this thing is thickening up. Yeah. The soap I made 2 weeks ago for the March birthday soap, pretty. I wasn't happy with it from the get-go before I cut because it seized. So the design I was thinking about it didn't happen as I planned. No big deal because I grated, cut up the soap and things. So, all right, we're gonna be working on what did I say? It's a mosaic look on the bottom, which will be the top of the soap, and we're gonna try to do it marbled. So I'm gonna go side to side with these. I may have to do another small batter just to get the other one going, but to make enough for both molds, okay? So with that being said, I think we're done here until this sets up enough. So see, now I can move it. So in a way it's good if you're going to do something like this with a behind, upside down. So I've got, this thing is ready to, if you want to do a design on top and move around. That's why I said mosaic. I'm going to go like that, and then this one too. Look at that, set up really nice. So let me figure out what I'm going to do, because these may have to get a little thicker. So I will not be fragrancing. I will not be putting any Blue Abyss in these because I want them to stay nice and fluid. So, all right, guys, there you have it. I use the grated melt and pour. I have like little fishes. I wanted to have that oceany. I don't know what we're going to get, but hey, it's got little speckles of red, orange, and green, and that's it. So, wow, I got two nice little batches here. Perfect. All right. All right, if everyone can see. I brought it to a light trace. You want not loose. For me, a little light trace works because I want that marbled look. I'm trying to do a marble look. So this is Sakura Pool Party. I'm trying to do a beach theme here for the March birthday soap. So, all right, here we go. I know you kind of have to. So here we go. Pouring. Here we go, one. It's a side-to-side thing. This might look nice. Let's do this. I don't know. Okay. Clumsy, I put that thing I shouldn't have. Maybe still a little bit loose. Hey, even if we don't get a marble, look, we're trying here. We are trying. I could see the marble coming through when I'm doing this technique here, but when I cut it, like the other day, I got something weird, something different. It's always exciting, trying new things. There we go. Oh. Use the other hand. Let's go. That marble technique, boy, I have to study that thing some more. It's pretty. Boy. That is why I soap at night. Maybe it'll look like sand is kicking up, right? There you go. The fishes are rowdy. Ocean is moving. Yay. Sand. I just love blue. Such a pretty color blue is. Blue is pretty. Yeah. And one more. This is all we're going to get here. This is all we're getting. Yeah. Not a high top soap. Alright, folks. That's it. And I'll make some little fish shells. Embeds to go on top. This is not finished yet. So that's all, folks. That's it. That don't look too marbly to me. Boy. Back to learning. Kind of wonky, but I'm not touching it. Just pat, pat. And we're going to put some embeds on top. The cutting of the March birthday soap. Here we go. Oh, pretty. Cutting of the March birthday soap. How is everyone doing? Alright, it's been in here for about a week. Alright, here we go. 1.5. Cuts nicely. Cuts nicely. Not... Oh. Okay. Alright, we have seaweed. That is a melt and pour. I kind of wanted a mosaic. Alright, that's pretty. That is real pretty. Seashells on top. This is from my March babies. Look at that. Oceany. Nice. I may sell it as a pair. One with the fishes, one with the... whatever those are. Yeah. Okay, cool. Lovely. Look at the inside there. Kind of cute. Nice. I hope everybody likes it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Oh, that's sweet. That's very nice. This is Blue Abyss, the March birthday soap, fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. Now, let's see about getting the other one out of the mold, the one with the fishes. Okay. What are we going to get on the bottom? Similar, just that this one doesn't have the blue in the center. I may have to turn this over because I don't have enough room on that one. Okay, cute. Smells amazing. Blue Abyss. A little smaller, cute, so look at that. Nice firm bar. Smells so sweet, oceany, clean scent.